Hi, everybody. Thanks for watching this forecast. As you know, most of you know, I am traveling for most of the summer, so I really haven't had many forecasts. It's kind of the slow time of the year forecast-wise anyway. And so really what I've been doing is just ignoring you. But unfortunately, the weather does sometimes get impactful for us across the summer, and mostly it's because of flooding, either from tropical systems or just from thunderstorms. And that's what's happening currently. We have a very strong area of trough area that is heading in our direction. That's and some very moist air that's in the area, causing some significant thunderstorms and some significant rain, which could lead to some significant flooding. So I wanted to just give you this quick update. Most of it's just going to be me talking over some graphics to give you an idea of what's going on, and to try to give you an idea of where things could be potentially the worst. I did want to like I said, wanted to get this video out to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'm praying things really turn out well for all of you. So as you can see by radar here, we are already starting to get into some very significant just pop-up showers and thunderstorms. That is going to continue throughout the rest of the evening and overnight before we get an organized area of steady to heavy rain. That's actually the situation that I'm most concerned about. If you look at the upper level, this is for tomorrow, and you can see this is really a winter storm setup. The problem here is that we have all this moisture in our area, but we have the kind of synoptic setup that we would have during the winter, and it just gives an incredible amount of lift and incredible amount of moisture to really dump some significant rain. I think I'm looking at mostly 3 to 4 inch rain totals for us. That's enough to cause moderate to potentially significant issues, but the potential is there for even 5 or 6, and that causes kind of really bad situations. So you're gonna have to be real careful out there. Make sure that we're keeping things, keeping aware of things. Main issues tonight: flash flooding from any storms. It could bring 1 inch or more overnight in an hour. That would cause washout of culverts and of small streams. So that's the main thing overnight. Tonight is mostly those small streams and culverts. Tomorrow we start to get into the significant 5-6 hours of rain, where we might get 3-4 inches of rain over 5 or 6 hours. That's where the potential comes for river flooding. Possibilities include basically any of our vulnerable rivers: the West River, the Williams River, the Black River, Saxons River, Millbrook, Battenkill, Otter Creek, all of them. Any other smaller streams that feed into those, definitely significantly problematic. Basically, if you live at a place where flooding happened during Irene, you need to be prepared that this could be on a worst case scenario. This could approach that kind of event. Certainly could be the worst since then. At the same time, it is a summertime storm. We may end up with a lower end event, which would be really good, and just some spot flooding here and there. Let's really hope that that's what happens. Certainly, I do actually have cell service for the next 24 hours. A lot of times this summer I don't, so I will try to answer any questions people leave in the comments section if I can through the evening this evening. Stay safe out there, everybody. Hoping and praying that everything works out well for you. And yeah, try to